As so many of you know, recently a lot of popular YouTube channels got hacked, but still most people are not aware how this happened and how to prevent this from happening to them. They were scammed by fake sponsorship deals that asked them to advertise their software or game in their video. But when they were sent the software, it copied their browser cache and other personal data to the hacker. Obviously, number one thing to know is not to open unknown emails that are giving you money. But that's not helpful because they can dox you and add personal information with fake to make it look real. Websites are also full of very unmoral codes. Before starting, remember that you are never 100% safe or private on your browser. Things like browser fingerprint will always be there, but having these settings are better than not having any setup of security. So first I would like to show you a browser called LibraWolf. It's a fork of Firefox that focuses on privacy and security, removes all the telemetries and adds ad block by default, and it's open so you can get it from. I will put the link in the description where you can get it. It's available on Gen 2 Mac OS and Arch Linux Flatpak. So basically every Linux you can install Flatpak, so no problem. But it's not available for Windows yet. So for Windows you will have to use the settings I show you right now. So I install the Firefox by through the repository. By now it's running in the default settings. By default they share your data to improve whatever. Okay, they share your data and sell it. Okay, now how to stop that? So right here, go here, preferences. Now in general you don't actually need to change anything specifically, but if you are using a proxy setting, so you can use a proxy. This video is not about proxy settings, so I will not show you how to set that up. In home settings, you can set your home, new tab, browser, custom setting, just set it a blank page. Okay, now here snippets, update from Mozilla or Firefox, no, I don't need updates. Page to save in pocket, no, I don't need that. No, 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 no. So basically whenever anything tells you to activate a suggestion or a recommendation, you don't need to do that you can use your own mind to search what you want. Add a bar on the toolbar. Search toolbar, you can use other search toolbar to change your search engine whenever you want and open different links when you like. Okay, now then search suggestions, you need to turn off search default DuckDuckGo. You need to turn off these suggestions. Suggestions sends you data without you even searching it yet, and that's bad. Right here, remove Google, remove Amazon, remove Bing. You can keep DuckDuckGo and remove this. I will also give a link to few search engine in the description. You can use those. That will be way better than the default ones. Standard, now you need to go strict. Standard basically does a few things, but this is the way to go. Strict, do not track signal. Now basically do not track signal were designed to make your browser send a signal that it doesn't want to be tracked, but no website that I know actually respects that signal, so it's useless at this point, so don't use that. Cookies, delete cookies when Firefox closes. No asking questions there. Login, don't use this. Never use your password and login saved within your browser. History, you can set it to never remember your history, but then it will turn it the browser into an incognito mode all the time. But if you are not okay with that, just use custom settings and remember your settings for your current session, but set right here to remove it Every time it closes, it will remove all the search history and cookies and cache. So it's good. Address bar, you can remove all these suggestions. You don't need to keep your suggestions coming right here. Location, block the location request. You need to just block everything right here. Like, it's, why would I need to use all this thing? Virtual reality, this reality is bad itself, so why would I go there? Block pop-up, okay, it's good. Keep that. Data collection, now this is very important here. No, I don't need you to collect my data and send it to you. Okay, security, now it might think like it's a good thing to keep these on, but this is actually also a data collection tool. It sends your data to Google and for scans it for malware, but we don't want that. We want our privacy. Turn this off. Now basically the settings are done, but you need to install a few more things. You need to install ad blocker. uBlock Origin is a good one. You can try. Actually, it's a must have. You need this. You can't live without this. Okay. Websites nowadays are so bad with ads. You need to run this. Even allow this with private window. This is so important. Facebook container also very important. Facebook is everywhere and you need to contain it. You can't stop it, but at least you can contain it. Okay, right here. DuckDuckGo Essentials. Okay. I use this LastPass, but use whatever you use as your password manager. HTTPS everywhere. You need this HTTPS everywhere. Even in private window, you need this because basically it converts all. It doesn't actually convert. It just forces all your traffic to go through HTTPS. That most of it is HTTPS nowadays, but you still need to keep that in mind. If anything is not HTTPS, it can be looked into by a third party. No script suite. So this blocks all the scripts in your browser. You will have issues when running certain website, but you can just check the ones you want to allow and not allow. It's pretty easy to get them working after you block them. I like to use this one also. It shows the flag of the country, but it's not that highly important that you install this one. I just do it for my personal use. Alright, I found this one. This will is not on the top one, so you will have to search it and you can install it. I will put the link into this description. You can install this one. This is privacy settings. This gives you access to the about settings section, and you can just come here and enhance privacy. Okay, it has changed all these settings for you. It's okay now. You can go to sleep easily now.